Okay, so let us start by introducing ourselves. So, Shashikant, can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah. Good evening, all. I am Shashikant Prasad, currently working as assistant professor in Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Technology, Pimpri, Pune. And today is my first session here. So, hoping to learn more.
Okay, Bhavna, please introduce yourself. Bhavna Ambudkar, can you hear me?
Yes. Good evening, all. Myself,
Good evening.
Dr. Bhavna Ambudkar, working as a Dean Entrepreneurship Development Startup and Innovation Cell at Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Technology, Pimpri, Pune. Yes, it's really something worth what we are seeing. Yeah, something which will gear up I would say, the spirit of entrepreneurship. Yeah, thanks for this. And it's really a wonderful start that we getting in collaboration with LWT, and that is the first event which we are having jointly. Thank you, Mr. Vishal Kumar, for this.
Okay, Shraddha, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, myself Shraddha Pingre from ENTC department. I am a student of Dr. D.Y. Patel Institute in Pimpri. And this session was really very interesting to watch. Thank you so much.
Okay, so Inde, please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, I'm Inder Singh. I'm from Kolkata, working at Gigai. We are working on a project. It's smart book, so we can boost our education system and we can fight with COVID. Yeah, thank you. It's a artificial device. Yeah, thank you.
So, thank you all for introducing yourself. So, let me introduce myself. I am Aditya Mukherjee from Kolkata, and right now I am in first year student at ILIT College. I am pursuing BBA at entrepreneurship, and also I am doing internship under this company, Learning While Traveling. And my ambition is to start my own company. Thank you. Okay, so I guess you all saw the video. So let us start. So as you saw in the video, that the workers, those who are working under the fourth company, they used to do one work repeatedly so that they can master that work. So nowadays, what do you think is more important? Do you think that a person should master one particular skill, or do you think he should just be average or just be good at different kind of skill set? Which one do you think is more important? Okay, Shashikant, can you please answer this question?
One should be master of one, and
Yeah, my
he
question
should.
was jack of all trades or master of one skill only. Which one is more important?
Okay, so you have classified. Okay, so basically, master of one I will prefer, because the concentration needed in master of one is will be more, and the related related works related to that, the person will be knowing much more than any other person.
So in there, what do you think?
Yeah, I would like to say if there is something that anyone can master, so that should be replaced with AI, artificial intelligence, or robots, or with machines. Like humans shouldn't do there anything. It should be replaced with technology. We have so many departments, so we can focus there. If there is something work that's repeatedly, it's the same work every day, so we should use their robots and machines. Yeah, thank you.
So you're suggesting that people should learn different skill set instead of mastering just one, right?
Sorry, I didn't get your point.
Yeah, so your suggestion is that people should learn different skills instead of mastering only one skill.
No, skill is okay, but in that field we have options that there is a regularly a same work, so we can replace with AI or machine. Like any human shouldn't do, and like any person should not be there for that work. Like we have so many things to learn. We have so many skill to get. Got it?
Sure.
Yeah.
Yes, Bhavna Ambudkar, can you please share your opinion about this?
Living in this, I would say, the sustainability era. It was once upon a time that one has to master one, but now as the things are, the boundaries are glowing closer, or we can say we do have more exposure. It's very much required that we need to know many things together. So that would be my answer. It's fine to be a master of one, but it's required that you know multi skills today.
Okay, Vishal sir, you want to say something?
Yes, yes. So in my opinion, echoing. No, I think I'm fine. So in my opinion, I think we need 2 skills at least to survive, because especially in the COVID times we saw, let's say somebody was in travel industry, they mastered the travel industry, and then all of a sudden for 1 year or maybe 2 years or maybe 3 years, the travel industry is pretty much on halt. So now if that person doesn't have a second skill, that person is pretty much falling on the road, and have much nothing to do as such, and probably need to start their other skills from very scratch to a new level where they can earn similar lifestyle. But if they have a second skill, maybe a secondary skill, not at par with the first primary skill, then at least they have another source of income or a skill that can feed them, or at least take care of the basic expense. So after going through this last few years of uh, situations that I have seen in my life as well as in the world and India, etc., I say jack of all and master of two, kind of.
Okay, Shraddha, what's your opinion about this?
In today's era, there is an importance to learn many skills. A person should be a multi-talented. Uh, just mastering a single skill is mm, uh, not.
Your voice is breaking. Okay, let us continue anyway. So, in the video, you saw that the workers that worked under the Ford company, they got very bored because they had to do the same work again and again. So, in today's era, why do you think that doing the same work again and again would bring boredom or bring tiredness or bring fatigue to the employees of a corporate company? Okay, Shashikant, what do you think about this?
Actually, the repeated task, the mind get tired doing the same task because of actually today's thinking is like that they want to do more and more, okay, and they want to grow. So if there is no growing or no new thing learning for a mind in today's era, so they feel very sleepy and very tired. Okay, so because uh, the mind is designed in a way that the new things attract it, and the same repetition actually the mind opposes it. So that is the reason, I think.
Okay, in there,
Aritra, yeah, I can try this.
your opinion
Yeah.
about this?
Yeah. First of all, I would like to say like same thing doing is not a good idea. But yeah, in our world we have to do this, like so many people doing this, because we haven't developed ourselves that much, so like we can do with these machines. So the thing is here, if like we do the same thing regularly, our body is actually work on voltage. It's very low voltage, very low pulses, but like the same pulse if going from the neurons, it's harm that neurons, and like the chemical reactions are there, so the same chemicals burn there, so like we irritate that time. But yeah, with the like tensions and like these kind of things, they again like so many other different chemicals. So people for that they can do actually, but naturally this is not possible in a like simple way doing a same work with like we like anybody he will like bore. If there is a problem, that's a different thing. Yeah.
So in that, do you think that there are some employees who, who loves to stay in their comfort zone? And do you think for them that same work doing again and again is completely fine? Are there any
I
employees who
think,
loves to do
yeah,
that?
yeah. I think like they're giving 8 hours in their company, but they have their needs is more important. Like their needs that give them chemicals to work there. That's force them to work there. Got it? That's give them energy to work there. Yeah.
Okay, Bhavna, what do you think about this?
Yes, it's very much that a person is likely to go into a comfort zone. That is bound to happen. But surely, if one has to grow and to keep the demands and meet the aspirations, then one has to go on learning, one has to go on changing. That is what I would say.
Okay, Shashikant, you want to say something?
Yes, I want to add something. Many times we have seen that someone making a dish um, in a restaurant, and that is a famous restaurant. Okay, so he is doing the repetition of that task. Okay, so for 20 years he is making the same dish. Okay, so he is not getting tired, but he also tries the number of dishes in which he has failed, and he also come up with new ideas also. Okay, so he he do the repetition of tasks, but he kept on learning new tasks or new ideas. Okay, so the this type of strategy will help the humans. Okay, so you can stick in your comfort zone also, but you can go on learning something else also. Okay, so it will make the person to be in his shoes, so he will not get bored. I think this type of strategy will work.
Okay, in there, you want to say anything?
Actually, I would like to clarify my answer. Like there is two way. If some people's doing the same work daily, so that can be like physical work, and that can be mentally work. In physical work, like one person right now he said there is a one cook, he making same dish regularly, and another way like any parts, like anything's doing in a physical way, so that's like anybody can continue much better, like for a long term, because there is muscles memory is there. And in like mind case, if there is something task, people have to use their mind for the same task regularly, so this is bit tough. Are you getting my point?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
getting.
that's it.
Okay, Vishal sir, could you please add
Yes,
your
yes.
opinion?
So, yes, it's very true. Doing the same thing again and again, or maybe with the same people again and again, gets a bit boring. And that's why this vacation and recreation comes in. So, if you want to make the work very interesting, we need to do some kind of recreation activity, some kind of change is always needed. The change may not be permanent, it can be just once a week, once a month, once a quarter, etc. and these kind of things give a break to the employees and also help in retaining the employees. So I suggest everyone to have some kind of change on a regular basis or even a very surprise basis, which will keep the boredom to a bit lower level.
Okay, so my next question is, okay, in there, I think you can answer this question better. So in there, do you think that nowadays our generation or generation Z would work for more money instead of less freedom, or do they demand more freedom instead of money? Which one do you think would they go for? More money,
I
less
would like,
freedom.
can you clarify your question in like detail? So I would like to answer.
Money or freedom? That's his question.
Okay.
नया
He's
generation जो है,
okay.
like the very 18-20 year age.
ओके, तो अरित्रो पूछना चाहता है कि नया जनरेशन पैसों के पीछे ज्यादा फोकस करता है या फिर फ्रीडम के पीछे?
फ्रीडम के पीछे.
ओके, आई गेस फ्रीडम के पीछे, बट मनी तो टूल है, तो कहीं ना कहीं वहां भी फोकस करना पड़ता है। और फिर वो ये इसके पीछे फोकस करने के चक्कर में वो छूट जाता है, फ्रीडम छूट जाता है, पैसों के पीछे पूरा फोकस रहता है। चाहते फ्रीडम है बट एक्चुअली पीछे पैसे के पीछे भाग रहे हैं, टाइम ही नहीं मिलता, फिर फ्रीडम तो भूल ही जाते हैं, फिर भी निकाल लेते हैं थोड़ा बहुत। मेरे हिसाब से यही है।
Okay,
अरित्रो,
Shashikant,
yeah.
what do you think?
Actually, people like to work freely, but when the money comes in play, so the need always come first for a human. So money, he will always go for money if he is a needy person, and if ample of money is available, then he always go for freedom. Okay, so if 2 or 3 sources of income are available, then he will always choose freedom. Okay, and if income source is limited for him, and so he will sacrifice everything and he will go for money.
Okay, Bhavna, what do you think? Do you think that our generation would go for more money instead of less freedom?
Yes, the newer generation is totally confused actually. They don't know that life is with freedom, but surely they will take a choice of money. That's the blunder which they'll do. We are experiencing. That is what I would say.
Okay, Sadha, what do you think?
My opinion is they go for freedom, but for that freedom they go after the money. And while choosing the money path, they get the responsibilities and understand the responsibilities.
Okay, Vishal sir.
Yeah.
What do you think?
So initially, when the placement will happen, they will go by money. After the placement happens, they will start thinking about freedom and probably think about switching jobs or doing higher studies. And then again, so whatever they are liking, they are going to go after that. If they are liking money, they'll go after the money, will become the higher priority than the freedom. If they are lacking freedom, so it's always a score out of 10, you can say, money versus freedom. Whatever scores lower, people are going to switch to that. But with time, I think eventually people will choose freedom over money once they have the very basic needs fulfilled. But if the basic needs are not fulfilled, obviously money is going to be the priority over freedom. But once the basic needs are fulfilled, freedom is going to become priority.
Okay, so
Sorry to
Vishal sir.
say, Sorry to
Yes,
say in
ma'am.
between, but it's difficult to satisfy the basic needs, sir. That's the biggest thing.
Basic
So
needs is increasing day by day.
that is what there's the list is endless for the basic needs, and that's the basic thing. Yeah.
सर मुझे
That's
एक बात
the
पूछनी थी।
basic problem. Yes, in there.
मतलब मुझे लगता है ना कि 99% लोग ना वो कितना भी कमा लें उनका नीड कभी पूरा नहीं होता होगा। आपको क्या लगता है इस बात पर?
ये एक saying है, need can be fulfilled, but greed
मतलब
cannot be.
मतलब मैं
तो
कैलकुलेटिव वे में अगर बोलूँ तो लाइक अगर बैंक में अभी सपोज 10 लाख रुपए आ गया 10 करोड़ आ गए तो भी फिर खत्म हो जाएंगे, वो रहेंगे नहीं।
नहीं, करेक्ट सही। अभी एक recent examples, people dying, lot of people, I mean people getting divorced, even the rich ones. It's pretty much showing कि lot of money doesn't mean everything is fine. जिसके पास पैसे हैं उनको भी problems हो ही रहे हैं ultimately. So
हाँ।
it's kind of whatever we lack, we are going to go after that, and this is a very individual choice. And like Bhavana ma'am was saying, na, everyone is very confused. फ्रीडम चाहिए, पैसा चाहिए, कितना चाहिए। ठीक है, फिर एक टाइम पे लगेगा कि सिर्फ 2 टाइम का खाना ही चाहिए, एक टाइम पे लगेगा नहीं कार भी होता तो अच्छा होता। लोन ले लिया किसी ने, नाउ दे आर ट्रैप्ड। सो it's a forever trap people fall into because
Right.
of their greed and yeah, I mean their basic need, you can say ना, रोटी कपड़ा मकान में ही होम लोन ले लिया, कार लोन ले लिया, फोन लोन ले लिया, अब तो 20 साल के लिए फंस गए, उम्र कैद हो गया।
Lack of financial education. Yes.
Lack of financial education, actually finance is something that is not taught. I think only commerce students are taught a bit, and that too after 12th or 11th, I mean after 10th maybe, but most people lack the knowledge about managing finance, and it's not very age specific. Even like a 40-year 50-year people make a lot of wrong decisions in finance. So it's a very unfortunate case. थोड़ा सा इस पे ध्यान देने का जरूरत है। Maybe there should be a course or something right from the childhood, so people know how to manage money from the
They should
very.
read the book Rich Dad Poor Dad, I think.
You see, that is optional. So once things are optional, like this, this group discussion is optional.
They should know the
People will
difference between
choose or not
asset and
choose.
liability.
नहीं, उसको syllabus में डालना पड़ेगा वैसा कुछ, then only people will follow. And small children, I mean you have to pretty much pressurize them to study. They will choose otherwise not to study at all, like the first 12 years, I think.
Okay, Vishal sir, so do you think that people start their business for more money or more freedom?
It's both actually, more money as well as freedom. So I guess a lot of people, I mean there are few categories of people who start business. Some people start business because they cannot find anything else. Some people start business because whatever they found was not very fulfilling or make them happy, and then it's like jumping from one well to another well, thinking business is easy. And India by large is a business country anyways. If you see a lot of shops, etc., the people who do job is very less compared to people who open their shop or small business, etc. I mean startup can be a different category, but India is by large a business country.
Okay, so my next question is that, as you saw, what Henry Ford did was he reduced the working hour so that in his company there can be more shifts. So what is the benefit of having shifts or having different kind of shifts in corporate job in today's era? Shashikant, what do you think?
Okay, when we are talking about industries, basically they have benefits at working at night. Okay, some industry also offer 100 rupees extra per day cost to workers to work in night shift also. Okay, so basically the power consumption at night okay, of industry goes down. Okay, so for that incentives are provided by the government. So because of that, the industry try to make more product in night as compared to in day. But the workers always have difficulty in working night, and then in number of work hour in night is also less if you compare with the day shift. So if the worker is working in day shift or 7 hours, so if you go to night in that this type of industry, you will find that some of them are sleeping. Okay, so that kind of challenges are there. But because of incentives available by the government and production demand, the shifts are there. So um, to to supply or to manage the demand and supply ratio, the shifts are in play because of that.
In that, what do you think? How can having different shift benefit someone in a job?
Can you ask again, Aditro? Sorry for.
Yeah, the question was, how do you think that having shift in a corporate job, you know shift, right? Day
Yeah,
shift, night
night shift,
shift.
evening
Yeah,
shift,
so
day
how they
shift,
can
morning
benefit the
shift.
employees?
Okay. Or there is two things. If you are hiring like a new person for that shift, so like you will get more energetic person. That can be a reason. Those who like want to, and the second thing is like they can utilize their time. If for a company there is more order, so like they can utilize their time. So these are the benefits. What is your question? Can you Ritro ask me again? Like what shift do you want to ask?
Yeah, the question was that how do you think having shift in corporate job, having day shift, night shift can help the employees? Or do you
Can,
think there should be no shift at all?
sorry, the shift can, after that what you said?
Help the employees.
Okay, help them employees. Okay. So like having shift can't help the like employee. If it can like help only some of, like if they like doing like two works together. So I think if they like, if they wanted to do something in their personal life, so they can choose according to shift. That is the only, this is the like profit. And the second thing is like this is profitable more than companies. And I would like to, if like one of from ours, he said like they can do overtime. So this is like, if some people need money and they don't have any other options, so they can go with this. Yeah.
Okay, Shashikant, you want to say something?
Actually, uh, as per your question, basically, if the company is global, then they have customers at different times. So because of that, the shift is there. Okay, so we are talking about the employee benefits. Okay, so as Inder said, there are benefits that they can manage their time if somebody having something, some work related to banking, etc. So the day shift is not feasible for him, so he can go for night shift. But this type of shifting is not available directly. They have weekly type of rotation, I think. So basically, it will come to square one that when the time is required, the shift will be not available for him because he has to come to day shift. Okay, so that can happen with the person.
So, Sadha, what do you think?
No, Aritra, sorry, a bit interrupt. I'll bit interrupt. I guess shift is not for employees. This is for company. Later, it's a little bit became for choice of employees. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, Sadha, what do you think about this?
For employees, I think it is beneficial as they come across with the different works, or they can be explore their interest in the work, then it can be beneficial for them to gain new knowledge about the techniques, different techniques, and the skills will be upgraded. And due to the new learnings, they can get motivated too. Yeah, thanks.
Let me add. So shift usually is for like a blue collar job mostly, and maybe some white collar job. What it does to employees from employee side, the good thing is, let's say like a bank cashier, they know that they have to go to bank at this time, they have to finish the work at this time, and then there is nothing. So they can do whatever they wish without worrying much about any extra, etc. So this shift makes people disciplined in the way they can manage their life, what they can do before going to office and what they can do after the office hour is, or the factory hour is closed. From the employer side, it helps them to regulate the work, because let's say the factory cannot be shut down after 8 p.m. or something, so it has to run 24/7. So they need to put shifts, because nobody can work 24 hours, and making people work more than 7-8 hours can be dangerous, because the people might be there because of salary or because of their need, etc. But there is a chance that they will mismanage things and it will lead to accident. So it's both sides, and some companies may have lesser hour of shift, so they are actually smart, because having a small shift takes the very productive hours of the people, because then you know that okay, you have to go to, or you have to work for, let's say in work from home, let's say you have to work 3 hours only or 2 hours only, then that 2 hours pretty much that guy is fresh and maybe doing everything with full focus, and other times the guy might be not doing things properly also. So effectively, even if it's even if office is 10-12 hours, people are not really working 10-12 hours, they are passing time half the time. So that way productivity and cost is optimized.
Okay, in
विशाल
there.
सर, अरित्र जस्ट विशाल सर, मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था। मतलब कि मेरे हिसाब से ज्यादा एम्प्लॉयर हायर करना ये अच्छी बात होती है, एम्प्लॉयमेंट देना बहुत अच्छी बात है, हम सभी कोशिश करते हैं। लेकिन ये कहीं ना कहीं कंपनी के अगर प्रोस्पेक्टिव से देखें तो ये लॉस भी बियर करना पड़ता है कंपनी को, मतलब कि थोड़ा हेडेक बढ़ जाता है कंपनी के लिए, मोर पीपल्स को मैनेज करना। तो किसी को ओवर टाइम देना बेटर होता है, या फिर मतलब कि नया जॉब नया करना,
क्योंकि लोग छोड़ के भी जाते हैं,
मतलब
लोग छोड़ के भी जाते हैं कंपनी, पीपल लीव। तो अगर किसी एक एम्प्लॉय को, लेट्स से मैंने 20,000 सैलरी दिया, उसको मैंने रख लिया 12 घंटे पर डे के हिसाब से, या जो भी उस टाइप से 10 आवर्स पर डे के हिसाब से, राइट, रादर देन मैंने 10 एम्प्लॉय को रखा 2-2 हज़ार रुपया दे के 1-1 घंटे 2-2 घंटे के हिसाब से। नाउ इफ आई हैव 10 एम्प्लॉयज, आई माइट हैव मोर प्रोडक्टिविटी, मैनेज करना होगा थोड़ा सा, लेकिन उसके लिए एक मैनेजर रखना पड़े एटसेट्रा। बट अब क्या है कि अब मेरा रिस्क डाइवर्सिफाई हो गया 10 लोगों में, अब उसमें से कोई एक दो चला गया तो उसका भी 2 आवर 1 घंटा आपस में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं। तो ये एक मुझे फायदा दिखता है। फ्रीलांसिंग वर्ल्ड पूरा इसी पे चलता है, यू आर लाइक प्रीटी मच पेड पर आवर या पर प्रोजेक्ट, ठीक है। उसको फर्क नहीं पड़ता सामने वाले को कि तुम 4 घंटा काम कर रहे हो, 10 घंटा काम कर रहे हो, इतने डेडलाइन के बीच इतना चीज चाहिए मुझे,
ठीक है। तो सर ये तो बहुत ही अच्छा प्रॉफिट है, और 2 पॉइंट्स है। एक तो ये कि अगर लाइक जैसे अगर 10 हायर कर लिया, 10 में से अगर थोड़ा थोड़ा करके अगर फाकी मारने लगे तो वो थोड़ा टफ हो जाता है। और
नहीं, और 10 में से एक हायर किया और वो बीमारी पड़ गया तो क्या करेंगे?
एक नहीं,
उसका
मतलब
गलती भी नहीं था।
अच्छा एक काम करते 10 और 100 का एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं, तो फिर मतलब बीमार तो एक ही पड़ेगा। तो हाँ, ये तो बेनिफिशियल है, इस हिसाब से तो प्रॉफिटेबल है।
स्टिल आई विल प्रेफर 100 एम्प्लॉय ऑन 2 hours a day rather than 10 employee 8 hours a day, comparatively बोल रहा हूँ। क्योंकि इसको मैंने खुद भी सफर किया हुआ है और कहीं ना कहीं इसलिए हम लोग इस टाइप के ही अब इंटर्न्स या वगैरह हायर कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि हमें हर बार दिक्कत होता था, चला गया कोई, अब क्या करें,
हाँ,
अब नया कोई को हायर करने में कितना टाइम लग जाएगा, सिखाने में टाइम लगेगा। यहाँ पे अब 10 लोग हैं या 100 लोग हैं, क्या होगा कि
तो यही
मैंने
सर, यही तो
5
पॉइंट
को
था सर
सिखाया।
कि 100 लोगों को सिखा, हर 100 लोगों को सिखाओ थोड़ा थोड़ा टाइम देके। यही तो
हाँ, तो
मतलब
फिर है कि
फिर
10 लोग
उनकी
चले
जगह
भी
पे
गए
आएगा,
या
फिर
बीमार
कोई
हो
नया
गए,
तो उनको भी
वी कैन
सिखाओ।
कवर अप।
हाँ,
तो ये मेरा है। आई थिंक ये शिफ्ट वर्किंग इज
ओके।
वेरी मच सिमिलर। 8
मेरे
घंटे
हिसाब से इसको डिटेल में सोचने से शायद हाँ
होता है।
सोल्यूशन है इसका।
नहीं नहीं, फैक्ट्री में भी शिफ्ट इसीलिए करते हैं, वो 12-12 घंटे का शिफ्ट इसलिए नहीं करते हैं कि 12 घंटे कोई काम ही नहीं कर पाएगा, और दे वांट मोर पीपल। एंड एक और चीज है, 100 एम्प्लॉय को हायर किया मैंने, तो अब 100 लोग का खर्चा भी तो मैनेज हो पा रहा है, बेसिक ही खर्चा हो रहा है, हो तो रहा है। ऐसा क्या होता है 10 लोग ले लेते सारा 10 गुना सैलरी या 8 गुना सैलरी, बाकी लोग भूखे ही रह जाते, तो उतने जॉब्स नंबर ऑफ जॉब्स भी तो जनरेट हो रहा है। सो दैट वे ऑल्सो इट्स गुड कि सबके घर एटलीस्ट माड़ भात बन जाए, रादर देन 10 लोग के घर बिरयानी बने और बाकी लोग का चूल्हा ही नहीं जले।
तो ये ऑप्शन बेटर है, थोड़ा सा हेडेक लेना पड़ेगा बट बाकी हर तरफ से बेनिफिट ज्यादा है
शुरू में लेना होगा, एक बार
शुरू में।
ट्रेन कर दिया सबको, उसके
हाँ,
बाद इट विल गो ऑन ऑटो रोल। एनीवे, इसमें आई थिंक वी
Thank you,
कैन
sir.
हैव अ सेपरेट
Yeah,
डिस्कशन।
yeah. Yes, Aritra, you were asking something.
Yeah, so my last question is, what is the reputation of Ford in India? Do you think it is growing at a rapid pace in India?
Ford.
Yeah, Ford
I
company.
guess yes. Yeah, I guess yes. For some models like Endeavor and Ford Mustang, some of their like world famous, but like not for all. Yeah, for economics car,
Yeah,
not for
it's
all.
famous and lot of people may be wanting it, lot of people cannot afford, so
Exactly.
still marketing तो हो गया ना। मर्सिडीज का नाम सब लोग जानते हैं, खरीद नहीं पाएगा सब लोग, बट नाम तो सब लोग जानते हैं। सो देयर मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटेजी गोज लाइक this, everyone should know and few people should be able to buy, so that those
Right.
Okay, so I guess, guys, we are out of time now. So let's end the session. Thank you everyone for joining. Thank you, Vishal sir, and thank you everyone for joining, and have a good night.
Yeah. Good night, everyone.
Good night.
Good night, everyone.